Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I just did a video about this and how you have to convert the line to an object to make it work good. But I stated in the video I was going to show, or attempt to show, how to draw this. And I kind of figured it out because he's using a half-inch line. And there's a good reason to use a half-inch line. We're going to make this a half-inch line. Now what we didn't do immediately is take the shape tool, and I didn't count how many waves he has, but we're going to add like that many. Now you can, now here's the key why it's a half of an inch. Make your nudge factor a half an inch, and Control D and move it down twice, and then Control D. That's pretty cool. Now probably the biggest part of this thing would be to now go to Object and combine it. And here's, I think, how he did it. Grab all these nodes. Well, first of all, what we need to check is select them all and right-click on your mouse and turn them into a curve. If you don't do that, you're going to get sharp points. And then just bring these up, and you could, play with them. You don't want them touching, I don't think. And you don't have to do every other one. You could do every third one. Just make sure you get them all. You could go not too tall. My hand actually jumped on that. And I'm just selecting with the mouse, holding down the left mouse button and select them. And it doesn't matter which way you go, from the bottom or the top. And as long as you don't go too, and if you had them spaced further apart, I think you could even get more of a wave. Now here's the key. What we need to do is turn the outline into an object. And then he had his sloped. We'll just angle it. Let's do a rectangle. Hold down a rectangle, put it in the wave, select everything, and intersect. I always nudge stuff out of the way, boy. And then, because that way you can nudge your box if you wanted to. I want everybody to look at this. When I move this back, watch what happens in the center. Whoop, hit the wrong button. That's almost freaky looking, like it's traveling through time. Let's make it black. Wow. If you could make a video of that, it's almost... Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.